everyone! Welcome back to Learning Connection. If you're learning English and get confused by past, present, and future tenses, don't worry. Today, I will explain the 12 English tenses in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. What are tenses? Tenses show when an action happens in the past, present, or future. Each time period has 4 types of tenses. So, there are 12 in total. Present tenses. Number 1. Present simple, I eat. Used for habits or facts. Example, I eat breakfast every day. Number 2. Present continuous, I am eating. Used for things happening now. Example, I am eating lunch right now. Number 3. Present perfect, I have eaten. Used for actions that happened sometime before now. Example, I've eaten already. Number 4. Present perfect continuous, I have been eating. Used to show how long something has been happening. Example, I have been eating for 30 minutes. Past tenses. Number 1. Past simple, I ate. Used for actions completed in the past. Example, I ate pizza yesterday. Number 2. Past continuous, I was eating. Used for something that was happening at a time in the past. Example, I was eating when you called. Number 3. Past perfect, I had eaten. Used for something that happened before another past action. Example, I had eaten before the movie started. Number 4. Past perfect continuous, I had been eating. Used to show how long something had been happening before a point in the past. Example, I had been eating for an hour before you arrived. Future tenses. Number 1. Future simple, I will eat. Used for actions that will happen later. Example, I will eat dinner at 7. Number 2. Future continuous, I will be eating. Used for actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Example, I will be eating at 7 p.m. Number 3. Future perfect, I will have eaten. Used to show that something will be done before a time in the future. Example, I will have eaten before 8 p.m. Number 4. Future perfect continuous, I will have been eating. Used to show how long something will have been happening by a point in the future. Example, I will have been eating for an hour by 8 p.m. And let's review. Simple, basic action, continuous, action in progress, perfect. Action completed, perfect continuous. How long the action has continued. I hope this helps you understand English tenses better. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips every week. See you next time!